Hello friends, in this video I'm taking a very important topic. So if you are applying for Salesforce BA role, user stories is the topic that you should uh, do more focus while doing a job or while taking up the interview. So that is very important. And your life will revolves around the user stories when you will be working as a Salesforce PA. And even if you are, going for admin role or developer role, you should know and you should be aware about what a user story is. So user stories are basically simple description of a feature told from a user point of view, and these are used in agile methodology as it relates to a Salesforce business analyst. User story explains the roles of our users in a Salesforce system, their desired activities, and what they intend to accomplish. Okay, so let's go into more details and see what are the components of user stories. So there are three components of user stories, basically who, what, and why. So who represents user and what represent basically the functionality that we are going to accomplish, and why is basically the answer why we need this functionality. So they are arranged in a sentence like this as who, I, want, what, so that I'll be able to achieve this functionality. Basically why. So here is an example that I have built for a very common functionality that in most of the Salesforce project this has been implemented. Okay, so as a sales executive, I want to send out email communication to my area manager on closing the opportunity which are greater than 50K value, so that my manager is aware of high closing deals. So basically, as a sales executive, he wants to send out the email communication when he closes the opportunity having value more than 50K. Just for the awareness or purpose for his manager, for her manager, so that he can keep track of the high value deals. Other details you will include in this user story, basically the email template that they will be using for sending out the communication. So we need to get the email template from the business, so we'll include email template as well in this user story. And when we write user story, we also give acceptance criteria. So acceptance criteria for this user story is very simple. So area manager should receive email after each successful opportunity closed by sales executive which are having more than 50K value. So it can be written in different way also, but the message should be clear. Uh, and basically these acceptance criteria are picked up by the QA team and the UAT team as well. So they should be able to understand what is the expectation from the user story. So that is the bottom line, but there are other format used in for acceptance criteria as well. So but even if say like this, your you'll be able to communicate that you have worked in previous assignment as a Salesforce BA role. So let me know if you have any questions for me, and if you want to see more examples of user stories, and you can post me any situation or business scenario where you want to create user story for that. So let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in other